All right, we're on another ruelle, another beautiful day. There you go. Near Park Lafontaine. What happened? And we're going downtown, or we're going down to Saint Denis. Try to snag a haircut. Friday haircut. That's what happens when you keep your hair short. You gotta get it cut all the time. Alright, we're crossing Duluth. Try not to hit the babies. Alright. Turned out to be a nice sunny day. I don't know if I've been down this one lately. Looks like a big giant bug out van in a ruelle. Or what is that, Amazon? What is it? No? Whoops. Now we're gonna keep going. Another drag. Always working. What are you gonna do? All right. Wow, look at this. See? Impressive. Oh. Impressive decks. A nice ruelle here. Wide. So on our left is Avenue to Park, or Park Avenue. There's a couple. There's one in the Mile End. This one's on Park Lafontaine. Everybody wants to live on Park Lafontaine. How could you not? So they have a great ruelle, it turns out. Decks. Wow, no graffiti on that garage. Look at that motorcycle. Just take a look. GoPro, stop recording. All right. Weirdos and freaks, wackos and creeps. Big Bad Wolf Bike Club. Okay. I did not know that. This is where they're located, in the back alley, see? Hey, that girl. Just to the left. Okay. We're going to keep going down the ruelles. See? It's beautiful. Park Lafontaine. No, we're not going down this one. Let's just go up the street here. Maybe we'll find another one. Corner of Montana Roy. What do we got here? Have I been down this one before? Maybe. I don't even know. Hockey net. Colorful. Wow, no graffiti. Ah, they must be brand new. I don't even know if I've been down this way. I don't think so. Nice. Skate. Terrace. Okay, doing good. Go. Terraces everywhere. Where is the nearest ruelle? Okay. And yeah. Very nice. Saint Andre. Okay, let's see, can we find another one? I doubt it, but because we're going down the hill. Found a barber. I don't like to pay that much for barbers. Found a new cheapo one. Does a good job. It's down Saint Denis. Alright, here we go. This is nice. Actually, it might have been down this one. I don't know. Maybe. We might even go to Chinatown. The Walking Video. What do you think? Before I go too far away, the worst thing in the world is when you get a mile away. Haha. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess who forgot their bike lock? How did I know that? I forgot my bike lock. The worst thing that can happen. Nothing worse. At least I didn't make it all the way downtown. I forgot my bike lock. Turning around. What an idiot. I've done that before. And I've done it again. You had it before, you've done it again, says the doctor. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, we're back. I forgot my lock, I went home and got it. We're on our way downtown, more ruelles. What's the date? The 30th of May. Sun came out, we're enjoying our time off, and we're going to keep touring the ruelles of the plateau. I don't know if I've been down this one, I don't think so. So anyway, we're going to keep on keeping on, and I don't know, check out the full videos. Alright, GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so just trying to get a haircut, as I pointed out. I don't even know if I can get out of here. Might not. Doesn't look good. I might be turning around. And I realized I don't have my lock on me. The worst. So I had to go all the way home. But we are back. Sun's out. It's supposed to be a rainy, cloudy day. Shows what they know. Okay, not much of a ruelle. See what we can find here. GoPro, stop recording.